Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page number 44 of Qaida, and it discusses Gunnah. What is Gunnah? Gunnah is to keep your sound in your nose. Keeping sound in your nose is called Gunnah. And Gunnah, there are two hurufe Gunnah, letters of Gunnah in Quran, and these are right for you, and these are only two. These are noon and meme, and especially when these are with tashdid, these will get longer Gunnah time. Like it means you will keep the sound in your nose for a longer period of time, and this is what this page discusses. Okay. So it is أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In Hamza is a very sharp sound. For kasra, give E sound and attach it with noon. And when you are attaching the previous letter with noon, this is the time where you will apply gunna. In, and for fatha, this fatha is very short. Na, in, and how will you stop? The gunna, the sifa of gunna, this is a sifa. This is a quality of the noon and meme. So when you will stop, you will give waqf. This gunna will stay. This sifa will stay. It will not go away. So in, an, how will you stop? An, Jannah, Jan. One Dha is a heavy letter, so we will write capital H. And when you will be joining this Dha with noon, previous letter with noon, then here is the time where you will create Gunnah. One, and Fatha is short, na, one. How will you stop? You will remove this Fatha, and what will be left? Noon with Gunnah. One man, and Fatha is short, na, man. And how will you stop? You will simply remove this Fatha, and Noon with Tashdid will be remaining, and you have to apply this Sifa even though you are giving Waqf at the end. Man, Hun for Dhamma, you're circling your lips. As soon as you will go towards Noon, your lips should be in a straight position, normal and natural position. Hun, and you will apply Hunna, and Fatha is short, so for Fatha you will open your jaws. Na, Hunna. And how will you stop? Hun. Yeah. Yeah, you are lifting your your middle of your tongue towards your palate, but your tongue will not touch the palate, but it will just raise towards it. So this is the articulation point of ya. So ya is a very, there is no Y sound into it. It's not ya of English. It's not ya of Urdu, but it is a very, very different ya, which has to be pronounced from middle of your tongue, raising towards your palate. Ya, ya, and the fatha is short, but you are opening your jaws. Make sure you open your jaws. Yeah, one is heavy. So for every heavy letter, we write capital E so we don't miss it. One, we are applying unna while we are joining this law with noon, and we will hold the sound in our nose And when we will finish this sifa of Gunnah, there will be fatha, and for fatha we will open our jaws. Na, ya, soft letter. Gun. This was Gunnah. For fatha, na, yaghunna. This is how you will say in continuation. How will you stop now? This is the third um, step. So how will you stop? You will simply remove this fatha. What will be remaining? That will be noon with gunnah. So you will say this noon with gunnah, with keeping your nose, keeping sound in your nose, even though when you are applying waqf. Yeah, this is how you will stop. Huan Ho is heavy, so make sure you make it heavy. How you make any letter heavy? By lifting your root of your tongue towards your palate. And you are not circling your lips at all. Don't ever circle your lips for any heavy letter to make it heavy, but you have to lift your root of your tongue up to make any letter heavy. You are applying gunna, and here the long vowel is attached, so you will make it 2 counts long. Na, and C is short. Si, si. And how will you stop? There will be temporary sukoon. And before temporary sukoon, you saw what? Oh, this is a 2 counts long gunna. So what you will do with it when it is uh, behind this temporary sukoon? You will convert it into 4 counts long now. It can be 2 counts long now, 2 counts or 4 counts or 6 counts. Yes, mad arid lissakoon has these options. Mad arid, sorry, my weird writing, but you can understand, alhamdulillah. Arid lissakoon. Mad arid lissakoon has these options. Which options? To make 2 counts long, or 4 counts long, or 6 counts long. Yes, you can make it. But when we are learning, we are keeping it on only on 4 counts. So make it 4 counts long. And you will give a sifa of safi on sin. You will give rakhawa. Khonnas. Attach jim with noon, and here you're applying gunna. Jan, and fatha is short. You're opening your jaws for it. Na. Tin. When you are pronouncing tanween, you are applying sifa of the tawassut, because you know that one kasra is kasra like ti, and the other kasra is noon sakin. So when you are applying noon sakin, when you are saying noon sakin, you are giving it a tawassut. Jannatin. Now, how will you stop? This is the fixed rule that whenever there is a circle ta, when you will give waqf on it, you will change it into ha. Jannah. And when you will change it into ha, ha is the letter which takes sifa of rakawa. Jannah. And Hamza is very sharp sound. For Fatha, open your jaws, attach with noon. This is what called Gunna. And you will give it 2 counts long sound, because this Standing fatha is just equal to what? This is actually na. This is how it should be in your mind, but it is written like this. These are the beautiful styles of Quran in which Quran is being written. So it is like this. Na, two counts long. Anna. And what will you do when any letter has two counts long vowel at the end? So how will you stop it? How will you give waqf? You will keep it as is, as it is. You will not change anything. So it will be anna. When you will stop ein from your throat, it should be very clear from your throat. Don't ever drop this makhraj. An. This is Gunnah, and then this is two counts long vowel. Ni, two counts long vowel. Yes, I can explain it for you. Alif sakina qablaha maftuh, waw sakina qablaha madmum, ya sakina qablaha maksur. When alif has fatha before it, when waw has dhamma before it, when ya has kasra before it, these three are the basic long vowels in Quran, which has to be long, stretched two counts long. This is one of them. Look, this is ya. Before ya you find kasra. An, and then it is two counts long. Ni, ni. How will you stop? Yes, when you found two counts long at the very end and you have to give waqf, you have to do nothing. This you say this as is, as it is. Ani, and this is how you give waqf. You stop at the end. In Hamza is a very sharp sound. For Kasra, give E sound, attach it with Noon, and this is Gunnah. In. And for Fatha, open your jaws. The sound should be short because it's not a long vowel. Na, inna. And this is a long vowel. Look, this is Alif. For Alif, you found Fatha. Inna ma. How will you stop? Yes, very simple. Say as it is. Innama kun. Kaf had dhamma. Circle your lips very well. But as soon as you will touch noon for gunna, you will bring your lips to the very natural position. Natural position is how you are not saying anything, you are silent. So how your lips are, this is the natural position. Okay, so kun, and you will stretch it two counts long too, because this is a long vowel. This is alif sakina qablaha maftuh. Alif, before alif you find fatha. So this has to be two counts long. It's naturally long. Kunna. How will you stop? It will stay as it is. Kunna. In Hamza is a sharp sound. For Kasra, give E sound attached with Noon. This is where you're applying Kunna. You are keeping sound in your nose for a longer period of time. In. For Fatha, na, short. Inna. Ha, two counts long. Vowel. How will you stop? You will say as it is. Innaha. Fi, two counts long. Vowel, because ya has before ya you find fatha. Fi, hin. Kasra, give E sound. With that E sound attached with noon, don't say hin. It's not hin, it's he. Look, it's he. This sound. He. This is long. He and then noon. Hin. This is Gunnah and Fatha is very short. Na. Hin. Fihin. How will you stop? You will remove this fatha. The gunna will stay there even though you are giving waqf. Fihin. Min. For kasra, give this sound. Min. And then attach with noon. Min. This is gunna and it is two counts long vowel now. So you will stretch it to na, min, na, min, na. How will you stop? Very simple. You will say as it is because there is two counts long vowel at the very end where you are giving back. B for kasra, give E sound. It is B, P. It's very, very clear this sound. P and Hamza give very sharp sound. It is from your throat. It's a very clicky, sharp sound. And this is Gunnah. For Fatha, you're giving very sharp sound, short sound. Na. Hum. For Dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you will touch Mim, your lips should be in a very straight, natural position. Hum. Mim will get sifa of tawassut, not Gunnah. And this is shorter, this is a shorter period of time, and it is very different from Gunnah on me. بأنهم بأنهم will stay the same. In orchestra give E sound. E in E. This should be the sound. E in, and it is two counts long vowel at the end. Look, it matches this combination. Ni, in, ni. How will you start? At the end, when you find two counts long vowel, you will say it as it is. Inni. One. Circle your lips to say wow. For fatha, open your jaws. One. This is now what you did. And na, two counts long vowel because it matches this combination. Na, C. C is short. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. And before temporary sukoon, you'll find two counts long vowel. You will simply change it into four counts. And this is called mad added sukoon because this tap is being made because of the temporary sukoon. So one nas, one nas, and sin will get rukhawa, sin will get safi. It is a light sound. Jan, jan. Jim has what? Jim is attached with noon. Jannatin, jannat. This is madarat sukoon. You give sukoon at the end, and there was two counts long vowel. You convert it into four counts because of madarat sukoon. When ta was with sukoon, you gave it a hums, and hums is a flow of breath. Fahasaw shakhsan are the letters whenever these are with sukoon, and ta is one of them. So whenever ta is with sukoon, you will give hums, and hums is a flow of breath. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.